Gates open, they're up and racing. Fisher Champ, one Bahamas at the center to grab the lead. Is Marinable Vermont down on the inside. War Alert and Daman Surya is in behind them. Heading towards the half mile pole. One Bahamas running on the outside. Vermont is by the rail. Racing in third. War Alert moving up in between runners. Marinable, Fisher Champ second last, and Daman Surya as they rounded the 600. Now we have Vermont takes command by the rail, running on the outside. Second is one Bahamas. Then moving up on the outside is Fisher Champ. Together is War Alert, is Marinable, Daman Surya as they race for home. Vermont still leading the field. Fisher Champ now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Moving up by the rail, War Alert. And down the stretch they come. Vermont still leading the field. Moving up on the outside. Fisher Champ. War Alert is by the rail. Vermont, Fisher Champ is on the outside. But it's still Vermont leading the field. Fisher Champ in second, and finally Vermont. Fisher Champ is Marinable, War Alert, and Daman Surya, one Bahamas.